a recipe to help you eat those veggies.
Time to grab a bite with Belkys.
The chef, Stephen Ulrich, serving up new American-style cuisine at the Strand Bar and Grill on Miami Beach.
We really believe in an ingredient-first philosophy, and we go from there in terms of creating our dishes here at the restaurant. It's a bar and grill. We're looking for people to have some familiarity when they look at the menu, but also we have some items on the menu which are a little bit off the beaten path.
The Strand is located inside the Carillon Miami Wellness Resort and offers breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and happy hours 7 days a week. With brunch available on Sundays, so stop by and try the dish we're cooking up today. Roasted salmon with cauliflower and cabbage. Chef Stephen starts with the salmon. He pours grapeseed oil into a pan over medium-high heat. He seasons the salmon with salt, then places it skin side down. Lets it cook for about 5 minutes before flipping. For the next step, more grapeseed oil goes into another pan, and then 3 kinds of cauliflower.
And at the same time, try to keep it a little bit spaced between each other. And the reason being is the more you crowd a pan, you tend to create steam, which inhibits your ability to give anything any color.
Sprinkle a little salt and let the cauliflower roast for a few minutes on each side. You'll need a saucepan for the next step and chopped garlic and shallots, white cauliflower, heavy cream, vegetable stock, and salt, and let this simmer.
As you can see here, it's really pliable. I could almost, by using a little tong, I can break everything apart very easily. This shows that we're ready to put it in the blender.
The last step takes about a minute. Grapeseed oil, chopped Savoy cabbage, and salt go into a hot pan. Use a little vegetable stock to keep the cabbage from burning.
And that's ready to go, okay?
Chef plates the roasted cauliflower, the cabbage, then the salmon, and he tops the salmon with the blended white cauliflower sauce with added caviar and garnishes with chopped scallions.
With the roasted salmon, we'd highly recommend a Nick Weiss Riesling from the Mosel in Germany. Welcome to the Strand Bar and Grill in Miami Beach. Here in front of you is a roasted salmon with cauliflower, cabbage, and caviar. Please enjoy.
That is delicious. Thanks, Chef. You can find the recipe on our website at WSVN.com. Click on Entertainment, then click on Bite, and you can also check out my Bite blog. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkys. Bon appetito.